Hi, this is Sampath. In this class, we will learn how to use filtered indexes for SQL performance tuning. I hope you have basic understanding on indexing, and filtered indexes are great way of optimizing SQL queries. In this class, we will see some practical examples how it can optimize SQL queries. So let us say I have an articles website with 10 different categories. My requirement is in each category I need to display top 20 recently published articles. Let us see how many articles we have in database. Here I have used set statistics time on and set statistics IO on so that we can know how much time each query is taking. Total I have 3,21,033 records. When we want to do performance testing, we need to have big data. Otherwise, we cannot differentiate whether it is really the query is really taking time or not. So here I have written a query to fetch data for particular category. Small explanation for this query here I am using category is equal to 2. This is the ID of that category and approval status is equal to 2. 2 in my database means it is approved and is answered. And after that, after fetching the data, I want to order by published date because my requirement is I need to display latest published articles. So I did not apply any index. Now let us see how much time this query will take. I am executing. So if we go to messages, we will see how much time it took to execute. Here CPU time is 281 milliseconds and elapsed time is 448 milliseconds. I am taking this one and I am copying it here so that we can later compare. This is the time it took to execute that query. Now I apply index. Filtered index. Filtered index syntax is absolutely same as non-filtered index. Here create index name, any name you can use, and this is the table name, and I want to apply filtered index on published date because I want to do order by on published date. And here we need to mention on what are all conditions we want to apply. Here I want to apply category is equal to 2, approval status is equal to 2, and is answered is equal to 1. Now I am going to create this index. It will take some time to create index. So now index has been created. Now let us execute previous query, how much time it is taking. I am executing this after creating filtered index. Now I have executed, and here this is the time it took to execute the same query after applying filtered index. Before indexing it was 281 and now it is 15. Before it was 448 and now it is 57 milliseconds. Now you can clearly observe the difference. Now I am having only 3 lakh records, but you can expect when the database is millions or billions of records, then this difference will definitely increase. So filtered indexes are really great way of optimizing SQL queries. Here a small explanation for filtered index. In my website I already said that I have 10 different categories. So if we apply index on this published date, that means we are applying index on the whole column, but it is not good idea because when I have 10 different categories, in each category at any point of time I will show only data related to that particular category. So it is better to create filtered index for that category so that our query always looks into that index and fetches the data. I hope you understood the concept. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. If you have any questions, please comment below.